Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Rydah, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Money by SoFi card. Samsung Money by SoFi, welcome to the future of managing your finances. Do more with your money. Open it up and we got some instructions on how to activate the card, and then on the right side you got the card itself. So let's go ahead and take that off of the cardboard and get a good look at the card. So the front of the card looks really good. Very pleasing to the eye. In the back you have a little branding there. No actual card number on the card itself. So let's look at how you activate the card. We're going to go ahead and open up Samsung Pay and click the Money tab, and I'll go ahead and authenticate myself with my fingerprint. And once inside Samsung Pay Money, you're going to click I got my card. And you got some instructions there. Just tap the back and done. Next, you're going to have a button at the bottom of the screen that says activate card. Obviously we're going to go ahead and press that now, and that's it. The card is ready for use. And that's it. That's a quick look at the Samsung Money by SoFi card. I'll give you guys a good look at the card again. But yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. You guys know what's up.